All right, let's take a look at number 5 here, this word problem. Yay, words! We love words. All right. In a triangle ABC, all right, well, let's go ahead and try to draw a triangle here. And notice how I create a little extra line there at the bottom. Okay. So measure of angle C equals 80 degrees. So in my triangle, looks like angle C could be down here on the bottom, and that's 80 degrees. Angle B is 2x. Okay, so the one up top could be 2x. Then angle A, the exterior angle. So angle A is down towards the bottom. Okay, and it says the exterior angle. So not the part inside here. It's the part on the outside here. And it says it's 4x. Okay, so remember, so it says draw the triangle ABC, which we just did, and find x. All right, so we just learned the theory that the exterior angle 4x equals the sum of the two non-adjacent angles. And again, non-adjacent means the two angles farthest away from 4x. So that would be 80 plus 2x. So if I'm writing an equation, it would be 4x equals 80 plus 2x. All right, so now let's solve for x. So I have 2x and 4x, which are like terms. They're on different sides. And I always like my variables to the left. So I'm going to move 2x to the left by subtracting it from both sides. 4x minus 2x is 2x. The 2x's cancel on the right. I'm left with 80. To get x by itself on the left, we divide by 2 on both sides, leaving me with x equals 80 divided by 2 is 40. So x equals 40 in this case, and we use the exterior angle sum theorem because we know that the exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the two non-adjacent angles, and that's how we get x equals 40.